Hi, my name is Michael. I'm product manager for Saitek, and today I'm going to demo how to set up and use your yoke system. The product comes with a flight yoke and a 3-lever quadrant module. So the quadrant module comes with a throttle, pitch, and a mixture control. And I've actually set it up already. I've installed the clamps and I've installed the products, and it's really clamped down to the table pretty well. But essentially what you're going to do is you're going to take the throttle cord and you're going to plug it in like so. And then on the yoke system, you're going to undo the wire and plug it into your PC. In this instance, I'm going to use my laptop like that. The one thing to note is you want to make sure this cord is secure, the one that's coming from the throttle onto the yoke system. And if you wanted to have pedals, you could actually buy our Saitek Logitech G flight pedals and install them via USB onto the side of the yoke system as well. Thank you.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.